channel. I hope you're having the best day. The sun is shining here, which we haven't seen for a while, and it's a good day. I am a little sore, so when we get to the video, if you see me moving very slowly, it's because I'm very sore. My back is hurting. But we are going to redo my open shelving for spring. I have like an idea in mind. I'm going for like a floral shop display. That is what I want this to look like. And so if you are new here, welcome. Hit the little subscribe button. I appreciate it. And let's get busy doing this. Okay. So all of my shelves are empty now, and I'm just gonna start putting things on, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so on this shelf I have 6 cake stands, and now I'm just going to fill them in a little bit more. I'm gonna use these birch logs or slabs because I think it will add a little bit of texture, and I just like them, so that's what we're gonna do. That. Okay, I love the way that's looking. I'm gonna do this shelf now, and then if you're wondering where all my cake stands are from, they're from all over, but these small ones without the lid are from Target Dollar Spot. And then this lid came from a Pioneer Woman one, which I love those ones. Those are my favorite. This one was from Hobby Lobby. This is a favorite. I just think it's really cute. That one's from not Hobby Lobby. I said this was from Hobby Lobby. I lied. It's from TJ Maxx. This one is from Hobby Lobby though. And then, okay, so I'm kind of going for different heights, varying heights, and obviously different patterns. So I'm gonna put these right here. These little ceramic pots are from Target Dollar Spot. They are my favorite. I love them so much. And then the little greenery in it is from Hobby Lobby. And then, okay, if you can see these little bunnies, I got the bunnies from Walmart, and then I spray painted them gray. It was a nightmare. The paint would not stick to them, but my husband ended up doing several light coats and it worked, but it's not fun. And then I got these eggs. I hauled them a few weeks ago from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just gonna like sporadically put those out. And then I'm just gonna use this little wood slab with the greenery again, right here. And I pulled it forward so you could see it. Obviously it's not as big as the thing is. Okay, now I'm going to do the top shelf. Okay, I had this cake stand with this already up there from before. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this greenery, put the greenery on there, take another one of these ceramic bunnies, put him on there, I have some eggs that I got at the dollar store, and I'm gonna put those on there, and then I'm gonna put the cloak back on top, so I just can't hold it all. So I'll show you once I get it up there. I got this fresh cut flower sign from a local boutique. And I'm just gonna put that right there. And then I have this little picture I got from Michael's a few years ago with these really pretty white flowers from Hobby Lobby. And again, I'm gonna put a birch slab up there with this on top. Like that. And I have this cute little wooden bunny. I'm gonna put him right there. And I have more of the ceramic pots. I'm gonna put it on one of these little cake stands from Target Dollar Spot with the little Hobby Lobby succulent in it. And then this pot has an egg in it. Okay, here is an overview of the shelves. This is the top shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have loved putting this together. I have been like thinking of how I wanted to do this shelf for so long, and I think it turned out actually better than I thought it would. I do wish I had a few more of those gray little ceramic pots. If I can find some, I'll probably get some, and then just kind of put a little bit more of those, maybe like right there on that bottom shelf. Because I really love how this one looks with it. I forgot to mention that these eggs are from Hearth and Hand last year. And I don't remember where I got the nest from, but this greenery is from Hobby Lobby. These are from Michael's, and that one is from Michael's. So, anyway, I just thought I would take you along this little journey. You can see my cute little Peter Rabbit towel there with the little carrots I thought were cute. But I'm gonna do a spring home tour, so I'm not gonna show you anything else, but you guys, this is so fun. You could even just do this on a sofa table, an entry table. You don't have to have open shelving. Anyway, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I will see you then. Have a good day, guys.